with me for a random Thursday of a homeschool mom who actually has to leave the house today, which means I must get out of bed. Rude. First stop, the coffee pot. I basically stumble there, pour coffee, clean the counter because that's what moms do. Creamer is essential, honestly. I may like the creamer more than the coffee, but we won't talk about that. Quick chat with the husband who's already off to work like a responsible adult, who I also had to clean up the coffee counter from. Grab my coffee and go get ready at my antique vanity that I love. Yes, it's a mess. No, I do not care. Next stop, the ice skating rink with 2 of my kiddos for a homeschool field trip. And when I say hundreds of homeschool kids, I mean hundreds. Turns out I'm the only homeschool mom who actually got on the ice. All the moms were there. None stepped foot on the ice. Lame. My kids' payment for ice skating was simple. They had to come with me to Floor Decor and carry tile around the store for me so I could look at tile samples for under our new wood cook stove. Fight traffic on the way home. Love that for me and the crazy people that are crossing the street in the middle of the road. Dinner was a loaded potato, shepherd's pie. Throw it together in 10 minutes. Easy peasy. Then back to the computer in my hole of an office where I had to write about 12 scripts for videos that I'm filming tomorrow. How-to tutorials don't write themselves. Last round of the night, lights off, doors locked, brush my teeth, and crash into bed because I film tomorrow. Another long day. Nighty-night.